Phone is okay. Things are like most about it. 1. Looks and design. 2. S Pen 3. Rear camera 4. 1 UI 2. 05. Customized function by Samsung. Things which I don't like about it. 1. Front camera 2. Camera zoom functionality 3. Fingerprint sensor 4. Poor network reception 5. Only 60 Hz display. When received, the phone box was damaged as shown. But phone was packed, seems that received a return phone. Will look for few days and if any issue found will go for replacement. Now reviews. Pros: awesome looks, camera that includes wide angle, also S Pen, the great feature, can also be used as shoot button. Storage: a lot of storage space, use as much as you can, very fast charging, if you have less time and bat. Love you Samsung for launching your flagship mobile at such an awesome price. The S Pen, camera and display are stunning, gorgeous. Fell in love with all features, madly waiting for your next launch. It is not heavy, face recognition pretty poor. Fast and accurate fingerprint reader, best for low light photography. Super steady mode is so addictive, fascinating S Pen and so smooth to use. Galaxy S Pen is super. Design sleek, modern and sophisticated. Rear design, especially the Samsung's trademark Aura Red variant, which reflects all the colors of the rainbow depending on how the light hits the back, though the red and black version are much more subdued. The front also looks sharp and trendy with minimum. Excellent product. Its design, camera, performance, Super AMOLED display, sound, everything is super. Pen features, OMG. Super flagship smartphone. This is what Samsung brand called up for. Thanks Amazon for early delivery. Fantastic. Samsung S Pen is suppressing. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is a phone for no one, at least on the surface. Chopped together from parts and pieces Samsung found lying around its Wonka-like factory, the handset is something of a Frankenstein's monster. Its arrival was a little odd too, seeing as how it was launched months after the rest of the range, alongside the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. That it then succeeds in being such an attractive all-around package is a testament to the design chops of its creator. The S Pen, it is still an interesting feature to have, and one which offers some unique functionality. For some, the ability to sign PDF documents on the fly will be a lifesaver, and using the device as a miniature graphics tablet for some on-the-go drawing is always fun. While it does have the stylus, the Note 10 Lite lacks the fit and finish I have come to expect from Samsung's usually very svelte. The phone feels plasticky, and thanks to the 6.7 inch it's very large. I do like the bright, vivid red color option you can get the back in though. There's also a new camera cluster in the top right corner on the back, and this design, which isn't too dissimilar to the iPhone 11 Pro, is rumored to be making an appearance on the upcoming Galaxy S11. Click link in description for more reviews.